Designers and PMs know this pattern too well. You build a cool prototype, everyone says, wow, and then nothing happens. Because without an API, a backend, or a developer, you can't move past the wow phase. It stays a concept. You can only polish the UI or front-end digital experience, which is probably the least interesting part of an AI product. Gemini 3 Pro finally breaks that wall. I want to test it and see how far I could push it. So in just a few hours, I built a fully functional smart dictionary with real AI features. I always want to have a smart dictionary for myself, something that can explain slang, memes, celebrities' names, I'm terrible with it, or whatever my kids is talking about. So I built this smart dictionary and I'm gonna work through how can it work with AI's power, magic power. This is vague search. So let me try some vague search that I heard something, but I have no idea how to pronounce them correctly. For example, what is dragon or Drango in Beyblade? Let me say how it works. This is literally what I heard from my kids every day. I don't know even they are pronouncing correctly, but after I sending it out and the model will run through the website and they provide me the accurate content. So Drago is a super cool and strong Beyblade toy. And it also provides me some sources. Let me try. Yeah, it does. Well, this is just direct me to a Reddit and Wikipedia about the Beyblade as well. I did put some thoughts around the kid safety, and it shouldn't include some like non-kid safety website here, but I'm pretty sure there could be loads of work around the safety area. Let's try another example. Who is Rumi? It's from an animation film, and who can sing? Actually, I already know Rumi is from that popular K-pop Demon Hunters. And let's see if the model can get it right. They are very, very popular in the UK. So Rumi, K-pop Demon Hunters. So Rumi is a super cool K-pop star in the animated. Well, of course, the image is not right because it's generated by Nano Banana model rather than search a particular one from the website. But it does give me a very accurate content with explanation. And here's a Wikipedia. It does link into the right Wikipedia. Now this is a traditional dictionary mode, but I put some persona here with different age group. So the output of the word's explanation should match the learning level of that certain group. Let's try a word that is absolutely does not exist in a 6 years old word. Let's try HR and see how it goes. So let me make sure if, I'm selecting the right age group. And the responding time could improve a little bit, but let's see. HR stands for human resources. It's like the special team in a company that helps all the grown-ups who works there. They make sure everyone is happy and has what they need to do their best job. Not bad. And it was like a kids-friendly image there, so it's working brilliant. It also generates a natural voice reading. Let's try it.
HR stands for Human Resources. It's like the special team in a company that helps all the grown-ups who work there. They make sure everyone is happy and has what they need to do their best job.
I think it's pretty amazing. To be honest, I started with a very robotic voice, so I did spend some time like tweaking this voice, and the result is just amazing, much better than the early versions. So if I want to save it, I will click here and it will save to my notebook. Here you can see it, and I can go back to see the details. If I want to practice it, I can click practice, and then here's a beautiful interaction for the flashcard. So all the traditional dictionary app functionalities are all there, but it's smarter, it's more bespoke, and I just built it with Gemini 3 in a few hours, and it's amazing. So it's not about vibe prototype. Gemini 3 Pro actually gives designers and PMs a chance to think about the questions that used to happen months later. Now we can evaluate the model performance, UX behaviors, reliabilities, and safety from the very first prototype. And that means we can finally prioritize the right things from day one, not just the surface level UI tweaks, but the actual AI product requirements that define user trust and user experience. So that's my experience with Gemini 3. In my next video, I will go through Cursor, Anti-Gravity, V0, and Gemini Video Studio again with a more practical breakdown of which tool is actually the best for different scenarios. So if you have anything you want me to test or compare, tell me, and see you there.